Welcome back to Decor, where timeless beauty meets everyday living. Today, we're stepping into the enchanting world of vintage cottage decor, a style that effortlessly blends nostalgia, comfort, and nature-inspired elegance. Imagine a home filled with soft sunlight, delicate florals, and well-loved textures that tell a story of warmth and simplicity. If you're dreaming of transforming your space into a cozy summer retreat, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments as we explore this beautiful journey together. Soft color palettes inspired by summer blooms. A vintage cottage aesthetic begins with a soothing color palette that reflects the gentle hues of summer. Think creamy whites, muted pastels, sage greens, and soft blues that mimic blooming gardens and open skies. These colors create a calming atmosphere while enhancing natural light throughout your space. Layering subtle tones across walls, textiles, and decor pieces helps achieve that lived-in charm without overwhelming the senses, making your home feel both airy and inviting during warm summer days. Weathered wood and time-worn furniture. One of the defining elements of vintage cottage decor is the use of weathered wood and antique-inspired furniture. Pieces with distressed finishes, chipped paint, or natural patina add authenticity and character to your home. Whether it's a rustic coffee table, a vintage cabinet, or a repurposed bench, these items bring a sense of history and warmth. Mixing old and new furniture also keeps the space functional while preserving the nostalgic aesthetic that makes cottage style so appealing. Floral fabrics and delicate textiles. To truly capture the essence of a cozy summer cottage, incorporate floral fabrics and lightweight textiles throughout your home. Curtains that gently sway with the breeze, soft cotton throws, and embroidered cushions can instantly elevate your decor. Choose patterns that feel timeless rather than trendy, such as small florals or faded botanical prints. These details add softness and romance, creating a space that feels comforting and effortlessly beautiful. Layering natural elements indoors. Bringing nature inside is essential for achieving a fresh summer cottage vibe. Decorate with potted plants, fresh flowers, woven baskets, and natural fibers like rattan and jute. These elements not only enhance visual appeal but also create a connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces. A simple arrangement of wildflowers on a vintage table or a collection of greenery by a window can transform your home into a serene sanctuary filled with life and texture. Vintage accessories that tell a story. Accessories play a crucial role in defining your cottage aesthetic. Incorporate vintage finds such as ceramic pitchers, glass jars, old books, and framed artwork. Each piece should feel personal and meaningful, as though it has been collected over time. Display them thoughtfully on shelves, tables, or mantels to create curated yet relaxed arrangements. These charming details add depth and personality, making your home feel unique and inviting. Cozy nooks for relaxation. Every cottage home deserves a cozy corner where you can unwind and enjoy the slow pace of summer. Create a reading nook by placing a comfortable chair near a window, layered with soft cushions and a light throw. Add a small side table for books or tea, and let natural light be your main source of illumination. This intimate space becomes a perfect retreat for relaxation, reflecting the essence of cottage living. Light and airy window treatments. Window treatments in a vintage cottage should enhance light rather than block it. Opt for sheer curtains, lace panels, or light linen drapes that allow sunlight to filter through gently. This creates a dreamy, soft glow throughout your home while maintaining privacy. The movement of these fabrics in the breeze adds a dynamic, lived-in feel that perfectly complements the relaxed summer atmosphere. Mixing patterns with subtle harmony. A hallmark of vintage cottage decor is the art of mixing patterns while maintaining harmony. Combine florals, stripes, and subtle checks in a way that feels cohesive rather than chaotic. The key is to stick to a consistent color palette so the patterns complement each other. This layering technique adds visual interest and depth, making your space feel thoughtfully designed yet comfortably casual. Incorporating handmade and DIY touches. Adding handmade or DIY elements can make your cottage decor feel even more special. Consider crafting your own decor pieces such as painted frames, handmade candles, or upcycled furniture. These personal touches bring authenticity and creativity into your home. They also reflect a slower, more intentional way of living, which is at the heart of the cottage lifestyle. creating an inviting outdoor connection. A vintage cottage home seamlessly connects with the outdoors. Enhance this connection by decorating your patio, balcony, or garden with similar elements found inside your home. Use wooden furniture, soft cushions, and potted plants to create a cohesive look. Even a small outdoor space can become a charming extension of your interior, perfect for enjoying warm summer mornings or peaceful evenings. Conclusion: your cozy summer cottage awaits. Transforming your home into a vintage cottage retreat is all about embracing simplicity, warmth, and timeless charm. By combining soft colors, natural textures, and meaningful decor, you can create a space that feels both nostalgic and refreshing. We hope these ideas inspire you to bring a touch of cozy summer elegance into your own home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your favorite idea in the comments below. Thank you for watching Airy Decor, and we'll see you in the next inspiring design journey.